Good morning. So it's been 6 weeks of the career course, and if you can remember back a while ago we caught up with Ramon, so we'll go catch up with him again today and we'll see how he's gotten on and see if he's accomplished some of the things that he wanted to learn. Alright, we'll see you in the office. Okay, hello everyone. So we're back with Ramon, who's just on his last week of the course, and we're going to catch up with him on some of the things that he wanted to work on. So the three things that you said that you wanted to work on were one, it was like clarity with the market profile.
Yeah.
Two, working on picking levels.
Yeah.
And the third one was working with your size.
Yeah.
So how have you progressed in those areas?
Profile, by far, I've learned the most with,
Yeah.
I think. And kind of looking at each day before it happens and trying to make a hypothesis of where you might think the day will happen, and then looking at initial balances a lot more. So that to me has been the standout part.
Okay.
Really learned a lot there.
Yeah.
With my size, I guess that's down to it's more like taking each trade and kind of finding entry points and when you think you're convicted in the certain trade. So I've still got loads to learn on that.
Yeah.
Because it's like I guess it's trying to create my catalogue of trades, so to speak, and
exactly.
where I want to enter into it.
And so I suppose actually a really hard thing about that is too, you've got to see similar ideas play out again and again, so you learn which ones are the good ones and which ones are the bad ones, and then from there you can kind of do the size. It's almost like a later in the piece there. And then what about levels? That was the other thing levels, that you said.
Yeah, I think goes back to profile a bit. That's helped quite a bit with it. And I don't know, we learned a lot about delta and volume, and that's kind of helped, like, with positioning and that sort of stuff. I would say mainly through the profile has helped a bit. I feel a bit more confident in kind of seeing a level and seeing low volume areas as perhaps a level. A volume point of control, for example.
Yeah.
If there's positioning there, then that could be a good level. So
So what's your favourite part of the course so far, or of the course? I suppose it's nearly over.
Actually, the most exciting thing, which I didn't really expect, was news releases.
Okay.
And kind of planning for those.
So you're talking about like FOMC or something like that? Yeah.
Any data announcements. That's been a real eye opener because you can really make a plan for them, which was, to me, I thought, before coming here, I just really didn't understand the process.
How do you feel in terms of like being grounded in those areas now?
I definitely feel I've got a good foundation. I was always hoping to have enough to gain enough here that a plan of what to do next, and like you say, you've got a foundation in all of those things. So I'm actually quite looking forward to now putting it into practice a bit.
And so if someone came to you and asked you about the course, what would you say to them?
I mean, for me, it exceeded my expectations because they really break down like all the sorts of trades.
All right, everybody. That's it for today's vlog. All right, see you later.